A world without AM, for us in Nuremberg, it is not foreseeable and also not with the same efficiency as we have it here. We have now the first line. We schedule step by step to invest in further lines because we believe that USP of the line can give us the market entry into low volumes, high flexibility, and very, very fast go-to-market approaches. So with our AM here in Nuremberg, we can reduce the go-to-market time by almost 75%. So our customers' feedback and speed is much appreciated. Without AM, that would not have been possible.
There are more and more applications for additive manufacturing coming up within Bosch. As you can see here, we still have space for growing. Our strategy is to produce more and more parts with additive manufacturing and increase here the serial production.
What we are building with Bosch goes beyond parts. It's about unlocking new potential and rewriting the rules of manufacturing. Their move to integrate additive into serial production shows real leadership, and we are proud to be part of it.